What's good, Rocket City Classic Cars? I'm back with another video. Today I have LeBron's. This is my daily driver. It is a 2019 330i. This color is a bronze metallic. You don't see this color too often. So I get a lot of compliments wherever I go, be it the gas station, just driving out and about. Today I'm going to be doing a cabin filter for it. I bought the filter for about $52. I decided to partake in this mini project myself because it is fairly straightforward and I can save some money. So this is the old filter. This new filter, as you can see, it was about that time to change this filter. This right here, that's the part number. Now you can find this filter online. I think FCP Euro has it, about $48, $49, but of course you gotta pay for shipping. This is the new filter, right there. So basically, all you do is you just slide this filter in this compartment. You're gonna clamp it. Let me show you guys. So I'm just pretty much doing this with one hand. It just slides in there like so. Make sure it's in there snug. So it's in there, and then all you do is you clamp these back in. Give it some force. It's kind of hard doing it with just one hand. So got them clamped in. Ooh, I know I gotta clean my engine bay. Looking kind of dusty. Well, there you have it, folks. The old one is going in the trash. Again, this was about a purchase of around 54 bucks for me. You can get this at any BMW dealership. It's just a easy, very easy installation. It'll save you at least $100, which is crazy. But when you factor in everything, what it takes to get an oil change and doing all these filters and whatever else the dealership tries to get you at, you know, doing this on your own can save some money. It's fairly straightforward. Well, there you have it, folks. Rocket City Classic Cars. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we're out.